of the same feather flocks together. I pity you, whatever they call your name, whether na Krazemama or be whatever they call your name. I really pity you. And I pity the kind man where be say go come across your way, or man where go marry you for house, or the family where you go enter say you won't marry. But before I go into this matter, make I greet you now. I greet you now according to the time now. This your girl Linda Gist TV. For those of you that are just coming across my video for the first time, please do me well by hitting the following button. Share this video, my people. Make it get to Jessy, King Jessy, whatever they call his name, Jezebel. And a Krazemama where be like person where they just new carry come out for psychiatry hospital. Make it reach them. Please follow me on my new page, Data Pikin TV. Data Pikin TV is my new page. Please follow me there. So, guys, I see the video where we say Krazemama and Jezebel gather just post not quite long where crazy. In short, you see your name even stands stupid because you did stupid. I wonder how they advise you for inside two of now. And Jason, I pity for you. I really, really pity for you. I pity for you because if really say na Bizzy give you belly, I pity for you for your bad advice where they collect for your mother and this stupid girl. This stupid girl where call herself say na Krazemama. Where be like person where the new release for psychiatry hospital. You just new come out for camp. Where you go, your NYC camp where you go. You ever go sit down for your house. You you come and mule empire, begin they misbehave, they do anyhow. Do high gaga for head like person where the new release come off for psychiatry hospital. You know say you not get sense. If you get sense, you go not say whatever you people are posting is something the all over the world are watching. I pity whoever that will call you his girlfriend or whoever that will go say he won't knock for Nadomo, say he won't marry you. I pity the man. I swear to God, I pity the man. Man where go put you for house, I pity the man. As I even they see you, I don't even believe say you get boyfriend. Talk listen na person go even say he won't marry this kind of person. We dry like okporoko, do high gaga like this thing when I don't know. Like criminal when the new release come out for inside kiri. See advice where you they give your friend. Say make it continue to they misbehave. You think say if they leave as you can't stand with Matthew, so they do as say you two get party, they leave two of and say you get hand where you go take it. He go less you better lazy. You go wake up for hospital. He go less you better lazy. Character not just gum too often. Character not gum too often. See the kind advice. See the kind person where you they follow. So now I advise you, may you go open left for Bizzy. May you go, make sure say you do Bizzy when you drink. Make it not know how it do am, how it get the belly. Don't worry. After you done, but DNA go proof. As I talk, I'm say beauty without brain at 0 over 100. How you can't be. Instead of you to give yourself rest, you say you don't want to give yourself rest. Say you want make sure say you deal with the Bizzy Rexx. So I make I tell you, as you get this belly so, where Bizzy say not being give you belly, if I were you, I go mellow down. I go papillo. I go calm down. With your calming down self, the boys the way they die in Mule Empire self, now they go help you, they fight your fights. But as stupid as you be, you do my like whistle with this where your so-called friend, where I don't know where you see nation for carrying a call, where do I like person where they come out for psychiatry hospital so. See what you now they post. I pity you. Krazemama, your name resemble the short crazy na omeme. Crazy na crazy person. You see and you are even behaving as one. You are behaving like crazy person. See two blind people. See they advise you. Just you they advise your friend. Instead of you to talk to your friend. Because of the pregnancy, make she mellow down. So that, you know, go get complication tomorrow. Then they tell us, say, make it continue. Make it do the one way, make it do worse the one way they do. I pity my when he go marry you. I just pity my way go marry you. And Jessy, I pity you. I pity you because if Bizzy Rexx not marry you, you have already showed the world the kind of bad attitude and the kind of family you came out from. It go hurt you. Guys, share this video for me. Make it reach their hand. Thank you, my people.